There are 5 main types of IELTS test takers. Which one are you? Let's find out. First up, we have the overthinker. This person spends 5 minutes analyzing every question, changes their answer 3 times, and still gets it wrong. Overthinking is not always the best strategy. Number 2, we've got the speed runner. This test taker finishes in record time as if they're running a race. But guess what? They forgot to check their answers and they end up losing lots of marks. Then we've got the speaker. This person gets stuck on every word in the speaking test. I think, maybe, Then we've got the overconfident one. They walk into the test like a pro, think they got a band 9, but then they end up actually getting a band 5.5. Remember, preparation is key. And finally, we've got the prepared pro. This person actually studied, knows the strategies, manages their time well, and stays calm. They walk out with the score they need, which is band 7 or higher, and a big smile. So which one are you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to be the prepared pro, make sure you check out our Band 7 Plus preparation course, which is going to teach you everything you need to know to get a Band 7 in IELTS. The link is in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.